Welcome back. Well, the shortage of the EpiPen is causing concern. Manufacturing disruptions and a spike in demand with schools opening up across the country has affected the supply of the allergy drug. I recently spoke with Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar about this shortage.
Drug shortages is a really important issue. It comes about often from manufacturing issues, as a manufacturer is having trouble with just producing the product. I think it's very important first to remember that that is one product, but it does not mean there's a shortage of epinephrine available for children. It's a particular delivery device. That's one of them, and we're working to solve that drug shortage, but it doesn't mean that there is unavailable product for this very important type of medicine.
And we are with Dr. Toby Cosgrove today from the Cleveland Clinic. And Toby, there's an article in the Journal today, a shot of competition for the EpiPen. Do you like that, the Teva EpiPen? Is this going to work?
Absolutely. You've got to have a competition. In fact, this is just the tip of the iceberg as far as drug shortages is concerned. We recently had a shortage of heparin, which is necessary for doing cardiac surgery. We've recently had a problem with all the with IV solutions, which were all manufactured in Puerto Rico. And in fact, we had to go to glass bottles instead of plastic bags because the factory there was put out of business by the hurricane. And so we try to keep, at the Cleveland Clinic, we try to keep multiple manufacturers so we're not dependent on just one. But we deal with, and every hospital across the country is dealing with drug shortages all the time. It just depends on what it is.
What about the opioid crisis? Do you think that who bears responsibility for this opioid crisis?
Well, first of all, last year we reached an all-time high of 72,000 deaths. Really, there's
72,000 deaths last year because of opioids. Wow.
Yes, and that's up 10%. But you know, we are seeing some a little bit of light in this very desperate situation. In the New England states, we're starting to see a decrease. We still see it going up in in Kentucky, West Virginia, Ohio, those states particularly. And it's really related to fentanyl being laced into the heroin. And fentanyl and carfentanil are the most very, very powerful. And really, addicts don't realize what they're getting, and as a result, they way overdose. But I think that I hope that we've seen a peak in this because people are now beginning to understand the magnitude of the problem, and there are all kinds of legislation coming to restrict the amount of opiates that are.
On a bright note, congratulations. You know, Clevelander by choice, the two of us spent 10 years there, and I remember the banners that always talked about the clinic being #1 in U.S. World and News Report, #1 in cardiology and heart surgery, right? So if you need a heart, Cleveland's the place to go.
And now apparently #1 in face transplants.
Yeah, well, this is the 5th one that we've done this year. It's really a very exciting story. And just amazing. You think about face transplants, you've got to connect arteries, veins, nerves, muscle, bone, and skin. And it's an enormous technical feat.
Cover story of National Geographic.
This month.
Congratulations, Toby.